Hey there, and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to talk about how you can do the glitch effect on Archero 2. So first of all, go to your Archero game interface. Then from there you have to tap onto events. So after clicking onto events, you will find this option. Wait, so you'll find this option, and now you have to tap onto run ruins. Okay, the last option right here, tap onto it. Now you can dig with this one. Also you can dig with it like this diamond icon. If you have enough diamonds, just tap onto dig, and from there you can dig them. Just choose the preferred one that you want to dig, and then you can find a lot of treasures. For example, this one is ability ruin arrow rain, and just dig, keep digging, and we'll find more. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, here is some keys. You can just use them to unlock the chest, and here you can see you can get all of this type of rewards. So that's it, pretty much it. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care.